Hi guys, we're here at Bongbong's Bacolod and mamalit me kay because kita gano mi kwarta ni Mayor and the LGU ba is we were given 3,000 so gasto na mo din hito
At
para
family.
pang
Pantay dili mo
pang pasalubong. Yeah.
watch.
Kalkyo para dili ma-short. Pero pwede naman ganyan na if ever kulang kwarta, pwede naman ibili ng uban. Di naman necessary paliton jud if ever lang. So ayun mo pag-calculate din ha. Alright. Ayan. 35. Pwede na siya pang kuan o. Karang pangatag bas. Wala na ko.
So my family, I will gas to this money for you.
First time ni mo nga mo gasto og
Dako. Kay not be ako.
nawa. Yes, what did you buy? Ay wow, parang asa man ni Day?
First category.
So here are some additional orders from our players. Yan, mga pasalubong. And kasi si Coach Bobby ron. There. Coach Bobby is also busy. And a big shout out to this cashier who's very accommodating and cool kayo. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, LDU Buckets and SBO Buddies.